I spent the night here at the Art Hotel in Battersea in London, and it was an absolutely beautiful stay. We came for my friend's 40th birthday and the hotel staff were fantastic. They couldn't do enough for us and the location was fantastic. So just making our way into reception now. Hotel's really pretty, lots of art for obvious reasons. We did stay on a room only basis. You can book breakfast, however, with it being so centrally located to Battersea Power Station, there's so many places to eat and enjoy. So Battersea Power Station and the tube was literally a minute away, so fantastic location. Just checked in and making our way up. We were on the 13th floor, and on the 16th floor you've also got a rooftop pool, which I'll show you as well when we make our way upstairs. The room was really lovely, and it was really quiet even though we were next door to the lifts. So here's our room. So coming into the room, you've got a mirror here on the left hand side, place to put your case. You've got a cupboard here, and you've got a fridge to the right hand side and then a mini fridge just there. Bit of storage as well. On the right hand side you've got your wardrobes, plenty of space and proper hangers as well, which is always good. TV, and really comfy bed, it was massive as well, really nice. And here's our view, so you can see how high we were. But you've got lots of shops around here, loads of restaurants as well. So just making our way, and I'll show you the bathroom. Really nice powerful shower there, as you can see, rainfall shower. Toiletries provided, and then you've got a coffee machine here, tea, coffee. The pods are just there above the safe. So that was the room. And then on the 16th floor, as I mentioned, there is a rooftop restaurant and bar area as well. So the lifts are actually round to the left here. I'm showing you the direction from the pool area. So you come out of the lifts just there. And you can see the view. It's a little bit windy when we were there. You've got the power station just there. The pool itself is heated, really warm in there. And at the end, you've got like a small jacuzzi, although it doesn't bubble, it's just an extra hot pool. It's really nice. And it was fairly quiet both days that we were up here. And you can just come up in your bathrobes and either your flip-flops or slippers are provided as well. But yeah, lovely views of the power station just there. So on the basement, you've got a sauna and also a steam room. You can also have treatments if you wish. Here's the gym. So quite a big gym for a hotel gym. They've got quite a lot available. And then the sauna is just around here. Also got some classes if you want to partake in those. Just make our way around to the sauna. So here's the sauna. It's quite big, and again you can see there's nobody down here. And then the steam room. Just show you the restaurant and bar on the ground floor. We did have a cocktail here in the evening, and that was really nice. Definitely recommend the hotel for a nice, comfortable and relaxing stay whilst in London. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more.